What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights to the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm and do not forget to subscribe, or else you might be giving up your position in line being a part of the next Shiba Inu success stories. Make sure you hit that subscribe button 100%. Double check, triple check, just to make sure that you are subscribed. Not only that, and you got those notifications turned on. But I want y'all to not be surprised if you see Shiba Inu here March 7th or sometime around there from now into March 7th. So Shiba Inu lead gives hints to attend ETH Denver. Satoshi Kusama, the Shiba Inu ecosystem team lead, has dropped a hint suggesting he could attend the ongoing Ethereum developer conference unfolding in Denver, Colorado. Shiba Inu lead in Denver. In a recent post, Kusama revealed his interest in the controversial murals displayed at the Denver International Airport. These murals, created by artist Leo Tanguma, have gained notoriety for their dark and symbolic imagery. So I don't know if y'all ever heard or if y'all are interested in conspiracies, but there's something called the Denver Airport Conspiracy. And there's like two airports. I think the main airport that a lot of people think that it's at is not actually at that airport, or it was covered up. But that's a whole nother rabbit hole to get into. I don't know if y'all into that. Let me know in the comment section. Are you into conspiracy theories? But Satoshi looks like, there's some interest there. So, expressing amazement at what he learned about the murals, Kusama reached out to the community for guidance on locating them. "I have to see it for myself," the Shiba Inu lead developer remarked. So here's the screenshot of the tweet saying, "So I've heard about these weird murals in Denver Airport. Can anyone tell me how to find it? I have to see it for myself." So Satoshi basically giving us a hint that Satoshi is in Denver by saying, "I need to see it for myself." What's going on in Denver right now? The ETH Denver conference. So who knows? We might see a surprise coming from the SHIB team being announced at this conference. We've seen a lot of information being released at the ETH Toronto Fest last year. So who knows? It could be something exciting going on. This could be just, something to stir the pot to get people talking. But I don't see why Satoshi would say, or to lead these breadcrumbs to alluding to being in Denver if it didn't have anything to do with SHIB or the conference. So in response to his inquiry, a Shiba Inu enthusiast shared an image of the paintings, noting their prevalence throughout the airport. An intrigued Kusama replied, "So they are not in one place." However, Kusama's inquiry about locating the murals at the Denver airport suggests that he may have embarked on a journey to attend the unfolding ETH conference, according to growing speculations. Jose, another Shiba Inu enthusiast, expressed this view while reacting to Satoshi's tweet. "Is Satoshi going to ETH Denver 24? Jose asked curiously. So here it is right here, retweeting to that. And then, there's always the chance that Satoshi could not be there, and just stirring up some speculation. But ETH Denver 2024 stands out as a premier Web3 build-a-thon globally. It draws Ethereum and blockchain enthusiasts, developers, and designers alike hailing from around the globe. Notably, the ETH Denver community converges with a shared purpose to contribute to global blockchain ecosystem. They actively engage in activities such as building dApps, initiating infrastructure level projects, crafting documentation, white papers, and tutorials, designing UI/UX interfaces, and creating informative graphics. The objective is to empower the community by directly returning value following the event's conclusion. Essentially, ETH Denver serves as both a launchpad and an incubator, facilitating year-round funding opportunities for projects that contribute to advancing the blockchain ecosystem. Notably, the event operates entirely on community funding. For this year, ETH Denver commenced on February 23rd and will continue until March 7th. So March 7th, leading up into that time to March 7th, we might get a special announcement from the team. That will be pretty interesting if we do get an announcement there. Now let's take a look at the overall market. We are still sitting at that $2.28 trillion market cap level. Fear and greed index at an 86, showing that, people are being, a little greedy right now. I'm not saying people are being greedy, but markets are likely to cool off. Whenever this index starts to rise and get into this extreme greed area, people start to lock in profits. Then we start to see a retracement. Then people start to, panic sell, and that might push prices down. So I'm telling y'all, don't be surprised if you do see prices rally shortly a little more, or, start to retrace around this area. Now, I'm hoping that things continue to ride, out. I'm predicting within the next maybe. I want to do a full technical analysis video on it. We will probably do it on a live stream today, or you'll see that video. But just saying it from my head, the momentum we're seeing, it looks like Bitcoin might be one of the break all-time high within the next 72 hours. Not financial advice, just throwing that out there. And if that does happen, we might continue to see a rally from some of these other blue chips and, OG memes, Doge, SHIB. And when Doge starts to really move, we're going to likely get sympathy in Shiba Inu, and SHIB will be moving also. So I'm excited about this. Let me know how y'all feel in the comment section. Bitcoin at 61,307, Ethereum at 3,398, BNB at 411, Solana at $112.26, XRP at 57 cents, Cardano at 64 cents, Doge at 11 cents, AVAX at $41.36, Tron at 14 cents, Link at $19.59, DOT at $8.42, Matic at $1.02, Toncoin at $2.50, SHIB at 401191. Let's take a closer look at SHIB and also the SHIB ecosystem. So right now, volume is up 49.5% right now. So it's showing that there's a lot of movement taking place inside of SHIB. Now, let's look at TradingView real quick. So we're going to mark a few areas in the chart. We're just going to put some resistance lines where we're seeing resistance in the chart. And this is going to give us an indication of the levels we are likely to break out to next. So I'll just do these three here. So next three levels is looking like we're going to 1591. Now, she may do one of these moves here. Depending on if the overall market starts to pull back right now, because the fear and greed index is so high, then she may, it could just start to retrace until it finds support, maybe around back around 1,000 points per coin. Or it also could try to break out a little bit above this area and then pull back to retest. So you might see it break out up into 1,300 points per coin, then come back and retest probably this 1,200 points per coin level. And then depending on what the overall market does, SHIB may follow. So if the Bitcoin, continues to rally, Doge continues to rally, SHIB is likely to continue to rally. If that happens, then we can expect to see 1,600 points per coin. Remember, I've been calling out that 1,500 points per coin area for a while now. Now, obviously, it's taking a little longer than we, hoped it to, but those are our next key levels. And then once we surpass this level, we got 1,800 points per coin, y'all. So Shiba Inu is still, fairly cheap for where we will be in the near future. And let's see from where we are right now. If we do get that movement up, that's approximately, give or take a little bit, that's approximately 52%. So yes, it can look a little expensive now for some, but guess what? When we're sitting at 1,800 points per coin, you're going to be wishing that you possibly did get more at this level. For those that keep asking, should I buy Shiba Inu? Yes, you can wait for a pullback if that does happen. But if it doesn't happen and Bitcoin continues to rally, we might break above these levels and then start to find support higher and higher. And as we break into these above these resistance points, we use those resistance points as new support areas in the chart. So let's say we break above this area. Oh, my bad, y'all. Let me adjust this over. So those are the areas right there. So let me say this again. So we're here. If the overall market pulls back, we could see it retrace to around 1,000 points per coin level, give or take a little bit, and then possibly continue if the overall market continues. Now, let's say we get a nice little rally from here. It doesn't start to pull back right away. We continue to push up. Bitcoin goes back to maybe around 64, 65K. She might follow, Doge if Doge continues to move. And we might break up to where we're starting to see some mid resistance right here around, like I said, around 1,400 points per coin. Then we might pull back and hold this area at 1,200 points per coin. That's one way it could play out before continue to retest that 1,600 points per coin level. And if that if we hit that area, we could possibly retrace to test and hold 1,400 points per coin before continuing to work our way back up, breaking through Matter of fact, let me use my paintbrush. So let's say we do hit this area. We could potentially retrace to just about 1,400 points per coin and then continue to come retest this area. And let's say we do break through here. You know, we could potentially see it pull back and retest this area here before coming back and breaking out above this level. And if we do that, I see us going to 2,100 points per coin. So depending on how crazy Bitcoin goes, if Bitcoin hits all-time high in the next 72 hours and we get movement with Doge following Bitcoin, likely Shiba Inu will follow as well. And we may see, I'm expecting minimum 1,500 points per coin. Now, this ain't financial advice, don't hang me to the stake for this. Just throwing it out there. You don't got to use this as a price targeting thing. I'm just saying this is what the chart is showing. Now, it could play out exactly to the T like this. Y'all know last bull run we called out, the Shiba breakouts, almost to the T. One of the top channels that I saw, calling it out. So we're not just talking here. Follow this information, do your due diligence. Be wise about things. Never risk more than you're willing to lose. But also, be active. I'm trying to take this off. Don't just sit back and watch everybody else, making money. And then you're, waiting until the next bull run and you're having to sit through the entire next bear cycle until the next bull run comes again to be able to start to make yourself some money. So that's all we got for this one. Appreciate everybody for pulling up. Tap in with, wait, first. Make sure you are subscribed. Scroll down because a lot of y'all that are new to the channel, YouTube analytics shows me we got a lot of new viewers. You got to double check, make sure you are subscribed. Secure your position in line with the rest of my community being a part of the next Shiba Inu success stories. Also, make sure you got the notification bell on so that way you don't miss out on any updates. I'm going to be keeping y'all updated to the T. So make sure you get all this information. Also, I got my courses available, 3 different courses. My stock options trading course, my crypto 101 course, or my technical analysis course. If you want to take your investing knowledge to the next level, reach out to me ASAP. DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Let me know which course you're interested in. Appreciate y'all for pulling up.